and juicy. I'm gonna get some soup. Welcome back to my channel. Insulated bag. Turn on the flash. So our grunt fish, king sliced fish. This a fish fillet. Don't want that. Peppermint sauce, allspice. Woo! Actually, I nearly dropped the people in buckle. So that's peppermint. You see this down here? So sour. Jerk sauce, okay. Jerk sauce. Oh, they have a large size coconut powder. Okay. So that's three large. The time is so hot. This is enough. Alright, show the whole buckle. So guys, I'm eating some food. No, I did not cook this meal. So I'm about to consume some food.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you always on my mind, yeah. You come around each day and I see you, and I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. I see you, and I see you. I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. myself in the zone. You get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring at.
So guys, I was recording and I don't know what happened to the speaker. I didn't check it anyhow, so I'm doing a voiceover. So here's a now. I was talking about the old lady that was in Juicy earlier. She was walking around with a clear bag trying to sell some jewelry from it. So she kept on approaching females and asking her if they want jewelry to purchase, and she's selling it for $3,000. So you know, nobody never just see her sell jewelry and buy it from you. Nope. So she kept on saying she has sell it for $3,000. So the ladies kept on refusing her. You understand? So she didn't approach any males, whether the security guard or the man them that was in Juicy, or you know. So they say it just look weird. So I wanted to video her and show you guys what me say. If me go video her now, if me go video her now, or anything that happen to her, you hear say, oh, the girl in that video her. So I wasn't able to video her and show you guys. Yeah man, so the lady I work with, I sell her jewelry, and even if she said it's her jewelry, nobody never just get up and buy jewelry. So somebody came over and say the jewelry them look like wash over. Anywho, yes or no, me talk about the guinea them say the trees beer guineas, but you know me not look on it because the guineas that are on it, them not taste good, them just have a mixed flavor. Yeah, they just have a mixed flavor, so it's not me not look on it. Anyhow, so I'm waiting for the ackee tree. For not ackee tree, the ackee is on the tree for start to open. Little rainfall today, but it wasn't enough. You understand? So the more the rainfall, the quicker the ackee open on the tree. Yeah. So I'm just dying for the ackee. The woman start smile on me and say, pick me, pick me, pick me. Yeah. I'm dying. I'm just tired of buying ackees there. Yeah. I have a little tree right there so I can pick from. Yeah, well, I have a little tree right there so I can pick from. Free, free, free. Yeah, man. Alright, so yes or no? Yeah, I was talking about the nail polish that I bought today. It was pretty. Guys, what do you think of the color? It looked like a nice royal blue color. Yeah, so I decided, alright, I'm going to test it. So that's exactly what I did. So I painted my big finger. Yeah, I'm gonna see where I'm showing you guys the actual color on my finger. And I like the color that's nice and pretty. Like my pretty, somebody can give us some pretty. Look at me, I am so pretty. Hello. So the way all the nail polish bright and pretty, when you can stay from down a way and say she that in the blue nail polish. That's how pretty and bright the nail polish is. So comment below and let me know what you think of the color of the nail polish. So question to you guys, would you rock the nail polish color that I have on? Would you rock that color?
Bounce when she walk, then bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap.
I need some water. Let me check the fridge. What's here? Guys, look what I woke up on in the fridge. What is this doing in the fridge? You're not supposed to be in the fridge. No, man. Remember to it. Say YouTube, Amanda's Reality. Subscribe, like, and share. And hit the notification bell. So whenever I go live or post a vlog, it will pop up on your device. Okay. Let me just take you out. You're not supposed to be in the fridge. Guys, Let me put it somewhere more suitable. All right, so put it right there so it's more suitable. Yeah, so that's where you're supposed to be. You're not supposed to be in the fridge. You're not supposed to. What a shocker, guys. I found it in the fridge. Isn't that hard to believe? Ah. So, guys, I'm gonna take me serious now. Guys, you have to have a sense of humor to watch my channel. Yeah. So make sure so to have a sense of humor. That was funny though. So I was just kidding, you know. So ensure so to subscribe to my channel, guys. Just subscribe, man. If you view my channel at least 6 or 7 times, or no more than can press the subscribe button. Come on, guys, subscribe. But that was really funny. As I say, I'm just kidding. But I know that grab your attention, right? All right. I know all the time people used to say, little laughter is better than quarrel. Yes, I hope I made your night. Yeah, much at the time. It's 7:20 p.m. Also, I didn't show you guys this earlier. I bought this. It's a shower curtain. Yeah, it's a shower curtain, guys. I'm not too sure if me like the color. I don't know me. I don't really wear pink, but you know, if the color nice, I'll wear the color. But this is a shower curtain. I'm not sure about the pink color, but I guess when I decide to put it up in the shower, I decide if I like it or not. What y'all think of the color? The color look nice, you know. It kind of look nice. So when I take it out of the plastic, I guess we'll see more of it. You know, decide say, all right, the color look good. Yeah, I was just overthinking, you know. But the other color that I saw in the OCL, they look worse. Yeah, other color, I never like it. But when I put it in the shower, I guess I'll decide. Yeah. Well, at least I catch the last donut. Yeah, Prestige donut, guys. The best donut. And guys, you know, so from Krispy Kreme launch in Jamaica, you know, so I know I'm not go there go support them. So I don't know what a Krispy Kreme donut tastes like. Would you believe me, guys? I only see online people buying them and so, and like if I'm passing, I see like here pull up over there, but me personally, I just cannot tell you how a Krispy Kreme donut tastes one. But I definitely can't tell you how a Prestige donut tastes, because it's like I grew up on Prestige donut. Prestige donut and the number one donut. Watch free ads. Watch free ads. But as I always say, if from something tastes good or something is good, I recommend it to you guys. So from yard to abroad, I definitely recommend you get on a Prestige donut. That's probably new. Well, at least make it the last donut. Guys, we can't too show the gel color, because you know YouTube have a thing against, you know, like red colors and stuff. Even though the color pink, we can't too show when you understand. This is where I leave you guys for tonight. I'll see y'all in another vlog. Bye guys, and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe.